neighbors. Christmas is already here. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing some house cleaning, some dusting and mopping and getting ready for family gatherings for the holiday. I'm going to start in the dining room since a lot of time will be spent in there. I'm going to wash my tablecloth and check my chair covers, see if any of those need washed. One thing I often forget to clean is my light fixtures, so I am going to give this one a good dusting. You see that there are two light bulbs out. I'm going to change those and try to make the lighting nice and bright for all the family pictures that we take. I am also going to sweep and mop, and I find it's a lot easier with a toddler and a dog that it's easier for me to do sections of my dining room and kitchen, to do a little area and then let it dry a little bit before moving on to the next one. If I do the entire room, they will be in there walking all over it and playing and having a good time, and it ends up very smudged and looking bad. Also decided to change my dining table back around. I do this several times a year. After a month or two, I'll usually switch it back the other way. little supervisor, and she decided to dress herself today. And right now she likes to wear my t-shirts and pretend they're princess gowns. So she has one of my t-shirts inside out over top her clothes, and that is her princess gown for today. Thought I'd show you my new additions to my thrifted ornament tree. I've got these in a grab bag. This one I was able to see in the bag, and it was the whole reason I had to buy it. This is Mr. Santa. And then there is also this cute little duck. And this Jingle Bells ornament. And then there's this doll. She does not have any legs. And I'm really not sure if that's how she's supposed to be or not, but she's cute and I still love her. And the last ornament that came in the bag was this fisherman, and this one's my daughter's favorite. I'm also going to do a quick tidy up of my living room and dust the pictures and get the cobwebs down. Thank you all for spending time with me today. I hope that you have a wonderful and blessed and happy holiday weekend, and I wish you all a Merry Christmas, and I will see you all next time.